Hello students, this is your chapter number 3 using typing software, and in this video we will discuss about the specific typing software, that is rapid typing. So let's have a look. First we discuss what is touch typing. So generally touch typing is a method of typing without the use of sense of sight. Means in this method of typing there is no need to look into the keyboard. There is a little use of sight only. The complete use is of the feeling and the muscle memory. Means in this method a typist does not look into the keyboard, he only looks into the document on the screen and he types spontaneously by pressing the keys. So this method is a good method of typing, and generally all the typists, means the expert typist, uses this method for typing because this method is fast and accurate and provides better result. So what are the benefits of touch typing? So when a person learns touch typing method, the method in which there is no need to look into the keyboard, means there is no need to use of sense of sight. So this method is called as touch typing. So there are many advantages of using this method of typing as compared to other methods. So first benefit is speed. When a user looks into the keyboard, he or she wastes his time, a lot of time, in finding the keys, where are the keys. But in touch typing, by a rigorous training, a user can recognize all the keys and remember all the keys without looking in the keyboard, and this is touch typing method. So without searching the keys, a typist can type key, and in this process the speed of typing increases and time reduces. And when a user is using or typing speedily and there is no need to search any key, then accuracy will be high, and similarly focus will be also on the specific key, because there is a rule that each finger will be placed on the specific key. So there is no need to search. Suppose we are typing using just only two fingers, so we have to identify and we have to take time to decide that which finger will be placed on the specific key. But in the touch typing method there is a specific rule, fixed rule, that the specific finger will move on to the specific key. So a typist remain focused in this method of typing. So these are the benefits of using touch typing method, means speed, accuracy, time and focus. Next, requirement of touch typing. So to use touch typing or using the typing software, specifically here we are talking about the rapid typing software 5.2. So what are the requirements to install this software? First we talk about hardware. So generally computer system with physical keyboard, we require computer system with physical keyboard, a mouse and speakers. If we have a system with a keyboard in which we are having a mouse and a speaker, we can use or install this software. Next, what is the requirement of operating system? So any operating system which we are using in our system, for example, we can use Windows XP, we can use Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, even Linux, Mac OS and Ubuntu can also be used for installing this software. And application software, this is the specific software that we are talking about for typing, means rapid typing software 5.2 will be required for our typing. So this software can be downloaded free of cost from the internet because it's a freeware. So when we open this software, we will find different kinds of courses available. So generally the courses are introduction, beginner, experienced, advanced and testing. So in introduction part of the course in rapid typing software 5.2, it will cover all the characters typed on the keyboard. Means this course covers the characters typed on the keyboard. It makes you familiar with the keys on the keyboard, so what kind of keys are there on the typed on the keyboard. So this is the introduction. And beginner, this is the second course in the typing software. Beginner covers the use of position of fingers on the specific key. Means it teaches us that which finger will be placed on the which specific key. So it teaches us about the placement of our fingers, all fingers and thumbs etc. onto the keyboard, specific keys. The next course of the rapid typing software is experienced. So experience helps to improve typing speed. An experienced typist will be of someone whose typing speed is improved just by using this typing software or by passing the introduction and beginner course. After that he or she will be considered as experienced typist. So it helps to improve typing speed. And advanced helps to improve typing skills. So after this is the next course which improves the typing skills. And testing covers of user performance. So after completion of typing a user can test him or herself by just using this typing software, that what kind of speed he is typing, what is the accuracy of typing and what is the speed of typing. So he can determine so many features using this software. So how to start rapid typing software? Just after installing the rapid typing software 5.0 or 5.2 from the internet, we can start it like this. Suppose we are using Windows 7, then to start rapid typing software, we will have to click on the start button. After that select all programs and then we will choose rapid typing. We will click on rapid typing. After that the software will be launched. And if suppose we are using Windows 10, then to start this software, this application, then we can click on start button and after that we can type rapid typing in the search bar. After that we can press enter and after we can select rapid typing 5 and then press enter key. Then just by pressing enter key this software will be launched. So it was all about the starting rapid typing software and what is rapid typing software, how can we install it, and what are the advantages of using touch typing method. So now in the next video we will discuss about what kind of interface will be in front of us when we launch this software or this application software, and how can we use this software, and how can we analyze or test ourselves using this specific software. So we will discuss about all these things in next video.